Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can create a business email address for free. Now after watching this video, instead of using a normal Gmail address like this one, you'll be able to use an email ID like contact@yoursite.com, which looks a lot more professional. Now this means you'll be able to create addresses like yourname@yoursite.com or even anything@yoursite.com. So all you need to have to follow this tutorial is a domain name with GoDaddy. So if you don't have a domain name, you can just click here to get your domain. So let's get started. We are going to create our business email in just 4 steps. The first step is to log into your GoDaddy account. So in order to log in, let's go to godaddy.com and then click sign in. Now enter your login details. And then click sign in. Now as you can see, this is the domain which I have on my account. So we are going to create our business email on this domain. So once you have logged into your account, we can now go to step 2, which is to enable your free email forward. Now in order to create your business email, you need to first enable your email forward. So to enable email forward, just click additional products and then click redeem next to email forwarding. And your email forward will be enabled. Okay, so once you have enabled your email forward, next let's go to step 3, which is to create an email forward. So creating an email forward will forward all the emails coming to your business email to an inbox where you can read your emails. So to create an email forward, let's click create forward. Now here in this field, you need to enter the business email address which you want to create. So it can be anything at yoursite.com. So I'm going to type contact at. Now as soon as you type at, it will automatically show the domain which you have on your GoDaddy account. So let's select that. So now we have entered the business email which we want to create. Now here you need to enter any Gmail address where you want to receive your business emails. So I'm going to enter my Gmail address. And now GoDaddy will forward all the emails sent to this address to this Gmail inbox. Okay, so let's click create. And now you can see that our email forward has been created. So once you have created the email forward, you can now go to step 4, which is to check if your DNS settings are correct. Now, in order to ensure that the emails are being forwarded properly, we need to make sure that our DNS is set up correctly. So to check your DNS settings, just click Tools and click Server Settings. So now you can see that we are getting an error message. So this means our DNS setup is not correct and the email forward which we just created will not work. So we are going to fix this first in order to receive emails to our business email. So to fix your DNS, you need to add these settings into your DNS settings page. Since I have my hosting with GoDaddy, I'm going to change the DNS there. But if you're using a different hosting provider, you need to change your DNS from there. So to fix our DNS, let's open a new tab and then go to GoDaddy. Now let's click here and click My Products. Now next to your domain name, click DNS. Now this is our DNS page and we are going to add these settings to this page. So let's click Add and click Select. Now since we need to add our MX record, let's choose MX and then type at in this field. And now we need to copy this setting and paste it here. Now let's enter 0 as it's shown here and then click Save. Okay, so now we have added our first record. Next, let's add our second one by clicking Add. Now again select MX here and then type at in this field. Now let's copy the second setting and paste it here. Now let's enter 10 as shown here and click Save. So now we have added our records. So let's go back to this page. And previously we had this error message. Now if we click refresh, you can see that it says that our settings are correct. So this means our email forward will now work. So let's click close. Now previously we told GoDaddy to forward all the emails coming to this email address to our Gmail inbox. So now let's test if this forward is working correctly. So to test it, we are going to send an email to this address and see if we are able to receive it. Okay. So to send the email, let's go to a random Gmail account and click compose. Now let's send a test email to contact@shoespaw.com. Now if we go to the Gmail inbox where we forwarded our mail and click refresh, you can see that we have received the email. So let's open it. Now if we click here, you can see that it was sent to our business email and we have successfully received it on our Gmail inbox. So now we are able to receive emails to our business email. But if we try to reply to this email, you can see that it still goes from our Gmail address, which we don't want. So we want our email to be sent from our business email, which is contact@shoespaw.com. So now let's go to the next part of this tutorial where we see how you can send emails from your business email. So to send emails from your business email, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to create an account in Mailgun. And Mailgun is the website which is going to help us send emails from our business email. So to create the Mailgun account, let's go to mailgun.com and then click try Mailgun. Now to create the account, let's fill up these details. Now here you need to enter your card details. Now to prevent spammers from creating their account, Mailgun will ask you to enter your card details. Okay. So as you can see here, these details are required only for creating your account. You will not be charged anything. Now if you don't want to enter your card details, you can watch this video to create your business email. Okay. So let's continue creating our Mailgun account. So I'm going to enter my card details and click create account. Now it'll take you to this page. Now here you can see that Mailgun gives us a free plan which has 10,000 free emails per month. So this means you can send up to 10,000 free emails every month from your business email. So just make sure this plan is selected and then click go to dashboard. So now we have successfully created our Mailgun account. Now in order to use Mailgun, you need to first activate it. So to activate your Mailgun account, just go to the email inbox which you used for creating this account. Now as you can see, we have received a mail from Mailgun. So let's open it and then click this link. And now your Mailgun account will be activated. So once you have activated your account, you can now go to the next step, which is to add your domain to this account. So to add your domain, just click add custom domain. Now enter your domain name in this box. I'm going to enter shoespaw.com and click add domain. Okay. So now our domain has been added to our Mailgun account. So once you have added your domain, we can now go to step 3, which is to connect your Mailgun account to your domain. Now in order to send emails from your business email, you need to give access to Mailgun to use your domain. So to do that, you need to add these 2 records on your DNS settings page. So let's go to our DNS page. Then scroll down and click add. Now select the type as txt as shown here. Then type @ here. Now let's copy this value and paste it here. Then click save. Okay, so now we have added the first record. Next, let's add the second one by clicking add. Now again, select the type as txt and then copy this value till here and then paste it here. Then copy this value and paste it here. Now let's click save. So now we have added both the records into our DNS page. So once you have added these records, let's go back to this page and then click verify DNS settings. And now it'll take you to this page. So once you reach this page, it means your Mailgun account has been successfully connected to your domain. So once you have connected your Mailgun account with your domain, you can now go to the final step, which is to connect your Mailgun account to Gmail. So once you connect your Mailgun account to Gmail, you can start sending emails from your business email through your Gmail account. So to connect your Mailgun account to Gmail, let's go to our Gmail inbox. Just click here and then click settings. Now click accounts and import. Now since we want to send emails from our business email, let's click add another email address. And you'll get this window. Now in this box, you can type any name which you want as your from name. Now this name will appear when someone receives an email from you. So I'm going to type shoespaw, and in this field, enter the business email which you have created. So I'm going to enter contact@shoespaw.com and then click next. Now to connect your Mailgun account to Gmail, you need to get these details from Mailgun. So let's go to our Mailgun account. Now to get these details, just select SMTP and you'll find your SMTP details here. Now all you need to do is just copy these settings and then paste it here. So first let's copy this and then paste it here. Then let's copy this and paste it. Finally, we'll copy this password and then paste it here. So once you have added these details, just click add account. And now Gmail will send a confirmation code to your business email. So to get the code, let's go to our inbox. And here you can see the confirmation mail. So let's open it and then copy the code and paste it here. Now click verify. And now we have successfully connected our Mailgun account to Gmail. So now if we go to settings and click accounts and import, you can see that our business email is now added. Now if you want to make your business email as your default from address, just click make default. And now by default, all of the emails you send from this Gmail account will be sent from your business email. So now let's test it by sending an email. So now if we click compose, you can see that the email is being sent from our business email. So now let's send a test mail to a random Gmail address. And then click send. Now if we go to that inbox, you can see that we have received the mail. So let's open it. Now if we click here, you can see that the mail was sent from contact@shoespaw.com, which is our business email. So now we are able to send and receive emails from our business email. So this means we have successfully created our business email and you can start using it. So now you know how you can create one business email on your domain. But what if you want to create more email addresses on the same domain? So let's say you want to create another email ID like help@yoursite.com or yourname@yoursite.com. We can do that very easily. So next, let's see how you can create multiple business emails on your domain. So to create another business email on the same domain, you need to create another email forward in GoDaddy. So let's go there and then click here and click email and office. Now here you can see the business email address which we created before. Now to create your new business email, just click create forward and you will get this window. Now in this field, type the new business email address which you want to create. So I'm going to create a new email called john@shoespaw.com. Now here you can enter any Gmail address where you want to use this business email. So if someone sends an email to this address, it will automatically get forwarded to this Gmail address. So let's click create. And as you can see, a new email forward has been created. Okay, so once you have created your email forward, next let's see how you can add this business email to Gmail. So to add this business email to Gmail, first let's go to the Gmail account where we forwarded the mail. So this is a new Gmail account where we are going to add our business email. Now click here and then click settings and click accounts and import. Now again, like we did before, let's click add another email address and you will get this window. Now in this field, enter your from name. It can be anything. So I'm going to enter John from Shoespaw. And here enter the new business email which you have just created. And then click next. Now in order to get these details, you need to create a new user in your Mailgun account. So to create a new user, let's go to our Mailgun account and click domain settings. And then click SMTP credentials. Now to create a new user, just click new SMTP user. And it'll ask you to enter the email address which you want to create. So let's enter john@shoespaw.com and then click create. Okay, so now we have created our new user and we have got our new SMTP details. Now all you have to do is just copy these settings and then paste it here. So first let's copy the password from here. So just click here to copy the password and then paste it here. Next we'll copy this username and paste it here. Then finally we'll copy this and paste it. So once you have added these details, click add account. And now like we saw before, Gmail will send you a confirmation email to your new business email. So let's go to our inbox and then open the confirmation mail. Now copy this code and paste it here. Now let's click verify. And now our new business email is added to our Gmail account. So this means we can now send and receive emails from our new business email. So let's try sending an email from our new business email. Just click compose. And then send a mail to a random Gmail address. And now if you go to that inbox, you can see that we have received the mail. And if we click it, you can see that it was sent from john@shoespaw.com. So you can use this method to create any number of emails you want on your domain. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create multiple business emails and use it with Gmail for free. So now you know how you can create multiple business emails on your domain. Now, if you don't have a domain name, you can click the link below this video to get your domain. Now, if you want to make websites like these, you can watch this video. And if you want to create an e-commerce site, you can watch this one. Also, make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.